Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate bookkeeping with FreshBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your bookkeeping with FreshBooks, sign up for a FreshBooks account if you haven't already. Once registered, log in to your FreshBooks dashboard. Navigate to the settings section found in the lower left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, click on your profile to complete your business information. Fill in your business name, address, and other relevant details to ensure accurate invoicing. Next, go to the Invoices section to customize your invoice templates. Select a template and personalize it with your logo, colors, and payment terms. Now, move on to the Banking section to connect your bank and credit card accounts. Click on Link your bank and follow the prompts to securely connect your financial accounts. After connecting your bank accounts, FreshBooks will automatically import your transactions. Once transactions are imported, navigate to the Transactions section to categorize them. Assign each transaction to the appropriate category, such as income or expenses. To simplify the process, consider setting up rules to automate future categorization. Click on Create Rule to define these parameters, allowing FreshBooks to categorize transactions automatically. Next, set up recurring invoices for clients you bill regularly. Go to the Invoices section, select Recurring and fill out the necessary details. Choose the frequency and duration of the recurrence for easy billing. After setting up your invoices, move to the Reports section. Review financial reports to gain insights into your business performance. This includes profit and loss statements, expense reports, and time tracking. To track your time efficiently, access the Time Tracking feature. Log your billable hours and assign them to specific clients or projects. Use the Expenses section to track and manage all your business expenses. Upload receipts directly through the app for convenient documentation. For additional automation, explore integrations with other apps you already use. Check out the Apps section in FreshBooks to find compatible tools. Finally, regularly monitor your dashboard to stay updated on your financial health. With these steps, you can successfully automate your bookkeeping tasks with FreshBooks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.